Do you want to know how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basic. If you want to know how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android, this is the place for you. What you need to do is go to your Play Store on your phone, go to the search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5. Click on MetaTrader 5 and then click install, which you can see over here. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Open Play Store, go to the search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5. Click on it and then tap install. In a while, you can notice that MetaTrader 5 is now downloaded and now is installing on your device. You can start making trades after you install MetaTrader 5. I hope this video about how you can download MetaTrader 5 on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.